I'm currently pregnant, and very pro-choice up to any point in pregnancy. And it kind of boggles my mind that they would even consider any cutoff before 12 weeks. That's the danger zone if you're trying to get pregnant black cat living with fibromyalgia. One day you're up shirt, you're still waiting to see if it sticks, as well as the time when you screen for chromosomal anomalies. Like, even if I were going to be an immoral black cat living with fibromyalgia, one day you're up shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie. Black cat living with fibromyalgia, one day you're up shirt, sweatshirt, tank top, V-neck, hoodie. If all of this sounds gruesome or wrong, that's what people did in communist Romania. Oh, and if you were caught having an abortion or aborting a child, they checked you at black cat living with fibromyalgia, one day you're up shirt. Most often they would just beat you up, sometimes rape you. Rarely they would send you to perform slave labor in a camp. I feel for the moms who hit 20 weeks and get that anatomy scan with fatal other product.